Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make bell pepper oven fries. I found the recipe on delish.com here a while back, and I just had to make it. I knew that you guys would probably love it, so here we go. For the peppers, you'll need 2 bell peppers. You're going to cut them and gut them. 2 chicken embryos. Some people call them eggs. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt. They said to use kosher salt, but I'm using regular salt because I don't have any kosher salt. That's not coarse. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And for the dipping sauce, you'll need 1/3 cups of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I said that right, and you know it. More salt, once again, was supposed to be kosher, but I don't have any. And finally, ground black pepper. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. On a plate, gut both of your green bell peppers like fish and make sure all the seeds are gone. Next, slice your peppers into about 1/2-inch rounds. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, mix your panko breadcrumbs, your paprika, your garlic powder, and your salt together until fully combined. In another medium-sized bowl, whisk together your eggs and your water. Yeah, I know, I used a fork. Sue me. In a Ziploc bag, throw in your flour and then throw in your sliced up green bell peppers and then mix the fuck out of them. Dip your peppers into the chicken embryo mixture and then the panko breadcrumbs. And once you have all those done and they're all nice and lined up on a parchment-lined baking sheet, stick them into your oven for 10 minutes. After that, take them back out and then flip them over and bake for 10 more minutes. And now in another medium-sized bowl, mix together your mayo, your sour cream, your ketchup, your parsley flakes, your Worcestershire sauce, and your salt and pepper to taste to make this bomb-ass dip. And then let cool, and then wham bam, thank you fucking ma'am, you're done and you're ready to eat. Alright, now it's time for the taste test. Gotta get some dip on there. This is a win. I'm talk about dip. I like green bell peppers anyways. And that dip is awesome. This dip would probably go good with multiple other things. This would be a great side dish. Also, please don't mind the fact that you can see a little bit of the flour. No matter how many times you dunk something in an egg wash, it's still going to fall off and there's going to be flour showing. I think this is the one I double dipped because it has a lot more panko on it. These are good. Well, that's all I got for you. So have a great day, everyone.